total domestic trips equaled 705 million, an increase of 11.9% compared to last year. Domestic tourism revenue reached 583 billion yuan, which is about $87.9 billion US dollars, and that is a 13.9% year-on-year increase. The national tourism market has seen a high growth rate, with strong driving forces from those making short trips. The Golden Week also saw a peak in travel overseas. Total outbound trips exceeded 6 million, with more people opting for DIY trips rather than tour groups. The 80s and 90s generations have become the main drivers in the tourism market. Chinese tourists today are also proving to be more rational with their shopping. Now, with the holidays end, the National Railways sent 14 million passengers in total yesterday. 920 trains were added to ease the transportation pressure.